Hello friends, myself Dr. Subhash Misra, and today I am talking about classification of bacteria according to their shape. It is a very short video, but I have tried to explain in very detail, so kindly watch complete video and update your information. When we discuss about classification of bacteria according to their shape, then as we know that in our environment, bacteria are present everywhere. Few bacteria are round in shape, few are rod in shape, few are spiral. So in this video, I have explained classification of bacteria in detail. When we see the classification of bacteria according to their shape, the number one is Cocci. And when we see the Cocci, they are made up of the word Kokkos, it meaning berry. And under Cocci means what? They are round in structure, round in shape. Here I have taken two bacteria example, Staphylococcus and Streptococcus. Both are round in shape. When we see here Staphylococcus, they are round in shape. And when we see Streptococcus, they are also round in shape. But the major difference between the arrangement of Staphylococcus and Streptococcus is that Staphylococcus always present in groups. They are always present in groups. But when we see here Streptococcus, then the Streptococcus present in chain. They present in chain. They present in groups or pairs. Groups or pairs. Pairs. When we see Staphylococcus and Streptococcus, both are gram-positive bacteria. Both are gram-positive bacteria. Staphylococcus produces several types of infections. The number one, nosocomial infection, hospital-acquired infection. Second, food poisoning. Food poisoning. Third, skin infection. When we see about Streptococcus, they produces pneumonia. They produces pneumonia. They also produces skin infection. In short, we can say the Cocci bacteria are round in shape. They are present in pairs. They are present in groups. They may be present in chain. When we discuss about Staphylococcus, they are present in groups. When we discuss about Streptococcus, they are present in chain. Both are gram-positive bacteria. Both produces skin infections. But when we talk about Streptococcus, they produces pneumonia. When we talk about Staphylococcus, they produces food poisoning, nosocomial infection, and skin infection. Second, when we discuss about bacilli, means they are rod in shape. Baculus meaning rod in shape. And here I have taken example of three bacteria. Number one, E.coli, second, Proteus, and third, salmonella. The E.coli, Proteus, and salmonella are gram-negative bacteria. Gram-negative bacteria. And E.coli and Proteus both produces urinary tract infection. But when we discuss about salmonella, it produces typhoid fever. In short, we can say that bacilli means rod in shape, and here I have taken the example of E. coli, Proteus, and salmonella. E. coli and Proteus, salmonella, they all are gram-negative bacteria, and E. coli and Proteus produces urinary tract infection, and salmonella produces what? Typhoid fever. When we see the third classification, that is Vibrio, and Vibrio means comma in shape, like this type of shape. And here I have taken the example of Vibrio Cholerae, and they are gram-negative bacteria, and it produces what? It produces like acute diarrhea, means frequently passes off stool. In short, we can say Vibrio means they are present in comma in shape, and here I have taken example of Vibrio Cholerae. They produces acute diarrhea, and they are gram-negative bacteria. When we see next Spirilla, they are spiral in shape. And here I have taken the example Spirilla minus, and this produces rat bite fever and chills fever occurs, and it through the rat urine, and they are gram negative bacteria. In short, we can say Spirilla means a spiral arrangement, a spring arrangement of the bacteria, and here I have taken example Spirilla minus, and they are gram negative bacteria. They produces red, bite, fever, and this chills and fever occurs. The fifth, Spirochetes, and Spirochetes means what? Coil-like structure, very hair-like structure. Here I have taken three examples: Borrelia, Leptospiral, Borrelia, Leptospira, and Treponema. When we discuss about Borrelia, they are not gram negative, not gram positive bacteria, and it produces Lyme disease. It produces Lyme disease, and vector is tick, and the symptoms is races occurs. When we discuss about Leptospira, it produces leptospirosis through the animal urine, and under warm condition it very spread. And third is Treponema, and Leptospira is what? They are gram negative bacteria, and Treponema pallidum is also gram negative bacteria. It produces what? STD, sexual transmitted disease, is called what? Syphilis. In short, Spirochetes is a spiral or coil in shape, very hair-like arrangement, and Borrelia, they are not gram negative and gram positive bacteria, and when we talk about Leptospira, they are gram negative. Treponema pallidum gram negative. Borrelia produces Lyme disease, and the vector is tick, rashes occurs over the skin. And when we discuss about Leptospira, they produces leptospirosis transferred through the animal urine, and joint pain, fever occurs, chills occur under leptospirosis. And Treponema pallidum, they produces sexual transmitted disease, that is called what? Syphilis. And number 6, Filamentous bacteria, and here I have taken the example, that is Actinomycetes. They are gram positive bacteria. They are like finger-like projection, finger-like appearance, and they produces actinomycosis, and actinomycosis, they produces actinomycosis and actinomycosis, rashes on face, rashes over face or skin, neck, etc. And the last, that is Amorphous morphology, means round and oval bodies. And when here I have taken the example mycoplasma, the main feature of the mycoplasma, they having absence of cell wall, absence of cell wall, and it produces, the mycoplasma produces what? They are gram negative bacteria, gram negative, and they produces what? They produces atypical pneumonia, or called walking pneumonia. It also produces pelvic inflammatory disease. In very short, I have tried to explain the classification of bacteria according to their shape. If you understand, then kindly like this video, share this video, and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.